Hello, welcome to the day 5 of 30 days food challenge. So today's our topic is loops. So this is our question, that is given an integer n, print its first 10 multiples, each multiple n into I, where I is less than equal to 1 and greater than equal to 10. Okay, so simply we are going to print this. Okay, so our sample input is this and sample output is this. So in the right side of the screen here we can see that the code is already given, means code for input, and is taken as input, which is of enter type obviously. Now we are going to look through I equal to 1 to I less than equal to 10. Okay, system.out.println printing value of n, then printing multiplication sign, or you can say x, small x, then value of I, which is loop through 1 to 10, both are inclusive, and then output of n into I, the result of n into I. Let's run this code. So here we can see that the sample test case 0 is passed. Okay, 2 into 1 equal to 2, 2 into 10 equal to 20. So this is our output, and the expected output is same. That's why test case is passed. Let's try to submit this code. Okay, submit code. Okay, so all test cases passed. Test case 0, test case 1, and test case 2. Congratulations message is shown over here. So this is the solution of our problem. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Thank you very much.